beforehand. Be calm, confident, and polite. As a constituent, it is your right to speak your mind. You are a strong, independent, badass chick, and self-expression is your right. Use it.